Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Subaru Outback. Stock number is A6613. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Michelin tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top, you have a cargo rack. Swinging around to the back end, you have a rear backup camera, and this Outback is all-wheel drive, so you won't be sliding all over the road on those wintry Wisconsin days. Plenty of room here in the hatch. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Power adjustable seats. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Outback on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.